Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff. Today we're on the Blackstone. We're going to show you how we make breakfast sandwiches, so stick around. Alright guys, first thing we got to do, get our meat cooked, our bacon and our sausage. So we're going to get that on the Blackstone here. Alright guys, we're going to get our sausage on here too. Get that cooking. The trick to cooking flat bacon is to turn it often, otherwise it shrinks and the ends curl up, just so you know. Little pro tip for you. Alright guys, we got our bacon done, so we're going to clean off this side of the grill and we'll start putting our muffins on there. And then alright guys, so these are English muffins. We're going to get them put on the grill. Now what I've done is I've put some mayonnaise on these. Most people use butter, but if you use mayo, it actually gives it a crispier crust on it because the mayo has more oil in it than butter does. So try it next time. Try some mayo on there instead of butter. You'll see a big difference, and I think you'll like it better. Alright guys, we got our muffins all toasted up here. We're going to get them off, get our eggs cooked. Alright guys, so you want to take your molds here, spray them with a little cooking spray, or your eggs will stick to them. At least that's been my experience. Then the best way to do this, you scramble your eggs, put a little salt and pepper in there. That way it's all mixed together. Same flavor everywhere. See how easy those come off if you spray them. This one's leaking though. We got a little too much egg in that one. Alright guys, then you want to throw you some fake cheese on here. You want to get the American cheese because it melts. The other stuff, when it gets hot, just gets kind of waxy. That's why McDonald's uses this kind of cheese on their sandwiches. You can use what you want, but this is what I use. Alright, we're going to close this lid down, let those melt. Alright guys, these ones are done. We're going to get these inside and feed some people. See those all melty. Alright guys, we got our breakfast sandwich here. I'm having some sausage on this one. We got our melted cheese. Give that 2 thumbs up. That's better than McDonald's. If you want a quick, easy breakfast with on your Blackstone, try this out. It's easy. It's not hard to do. We'll see you on the next one.